Welcome. Many people have asked the question of what happens when they cancel or terminate their insurance policy. And today we are going to address that in detail. What happens on terminating or cancellation of an insurance policy is dependent on two major factors. All right? These two major factors, the first one is time and the second one is the insurance type. All right, the type of insurance policy. Let's start with time. All right, in most insurance companies, if you purchase a policy, you can terminate that policy before the 30 days of being in force. When you terminate that policy before the 30 days of being in force, the insurance company will refund you the money, which you call the premium. All right. What you need to do is get to the office close to you and tell them you are no longer interested in this policy. If it's still within the grace of 30 days, they will refund you the premium you paid. All right. And you walk away. If they do not allow you to terminate the policy because the agent may try persuading you to leave it to be enforced, what you need to do is get the head office number, put a call across to them. They will send you form to fill. All right. Once you fill the form, within that 30 days of paying your first premium, they will refund your money. But if it's more than 30 days, you are likely not to get the money. Getting of the premium you paid is under probability. All right. And that is going to lead us to the policy type, the insurance policy type. All right. Number one, let me talk about the pure risk. All right. Which we call the correct and the pure life insurance we know, the first type of insurance that ever existed, whereby you pay certain amounts of money, maybe every month or every year or quarterly. All right. And the main reason for paying that is for your life to be insured against financial loss. Are you getting it? In a situation like that, and the policy has been enforced for over 30 days, maybe 2 months, 3 months, or 3 years, all right, or 2 years, all right. If you terminate that policy, in that case, you are not getting any money in return. You're not getting any money you paid so far. All right. But this depends on the insurance company. All right. There are different ways different companies design their policy. But for pure life insurance, in most cases, you're not getting any refund because that policy has not reached the maturity time. Okay? So once you terminate the policy or you cancel the policy, you lose every benefit attached to it. You are no longer getting cover for the life. All right? Maybe if you die after termination, the company is not going to pay any claim to the beneficiary you filled when you started the policy. All right? Then let's talk about another type of insurance policy, which is still under life insurance, but we call that one endowment policy. Let me bring it down. If, for example, you pick an insurance policy for education of your child, whereby every month you pay some amount of money, which you call premium, towards the education of your child or for your own personal savings. Maybe the policy states that before you can have access to that money, you must have saved for at least 5 good years. If the policy is in force for just 1 year and you go on and terminate that policy, in most plans like this, you're going to lose part of that money. Yes. So that's why you need to go through the terms and conditions guiding a particular policy before you sign into the policy. All right. So if maybe in the form it states that if you terminate after 1 year, you're going to lose 60% of the money. So you're going to lose that 60% of the money, an insurance company will pay you 40%. If the policy has been in force for maybe 4 years, an insurance policy says you are going to lose 10% of the money. If maybe you have contributed about $4,000 so far, you're going to lose 10% of that $4,000, and the insurance company will pay you the remaining amount. All right. So the main thing is that no matter the type of policy, if you are terminating before maturity, you're going to lose part of the money you have contributed, or you lose everything, including the cover you're supposed to get. Maybe in the course of that savings, the policy state and insurance states that if you keep on saving for 5 years and maybe anything happens, you die before the 5 years, they will take care of the education of your child. If you are calm and you save to that 5 years, before that 5 years or something happens to you, they will take over. But if you terminate the policy before that time, you will not get the cover you are supposed to get. I hope you get that. So it depends on the type of policy. Then let's discuss about another type of policy, policy insurance policy, which here let's use non-life insurance, for example, property insurance. Okay, in most plans like that, if you insure your properties or your home, and maybe in the course of that you decide to terminate, in most plans like that, you're going to lose everything. The insurance company is not going to refund you the amount of money you have paid so far, no matter the amount. But some companies may be lenient, they may pay you some part of the money. But for the insurance company I worked before, if you picked a non-life insurance, all right, and in the course of that, you liquidate the policy, terminate the policy before maturity, you're not getting anything in return. So these are what happens when you decide to cancel a policy or terminate a policy before its maturity. All right. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to learn more about insurance. All right. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. All right. If you find value in it, please do that so that YouTube will push it to more people. If you have a question, if you're not satisfied with the answer in this video, you can drop that in the comment section. I may dig deep to still help you get what you want. Thank you and see you some other time.